2007 Acura TL. White color, aluminum sport alloy wheels with good necks and tires, tinted windows, dual chrome tip exhaust. This well kept light gray leather interior, Acura carpet and floor mats throughout, wood grain trim, power windows, locks and mirrors with memory driver seat adjustments, heated front row seating, 6-disc and dust changer, free 90-day trial, stereo 6M satellite radio, premium sound system with subwoofer, dual automatic climate controls, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, auto headlights, just under 135,000 miles. Come by and see us at AU Cars. Give it to you. For a low down payment.